this weekend we're heading up to Malvern. We're going to meet some people. We're going to have a bit of a Christmassy theme. So I'm currently sat peeling the carrots, the parsnips and the spuds. May as well make things a bit quicker. The man butt is currently filling up Sheila. Hey! We were just having a joke because we're in an Esso and we all know how expensive Esso are. But yeah, we do need to fill up the tank. So yeah, we'll let you know when we get there. See you in a bit. I've set it all up, so these are going to be my little roasties. I'm hoping for a bigger tray to come from Santa, to be honest, because I'm not sure I'm going to manage to get the spuds in at the same time. I've got some sprouts, cauliflower and broccoli. Oh, the silverside beef I cooked earlier. I sound like Art Attack guy. Do you remember him from the 80s? This is what I did earlier. The other thing that I thought was really exciting, if I can find them. Oh no. Oh no. Stu? Where's the pigs and blankets?
I don't know. You sure they're not still in one of the bags?
Are you joking?
For you?
Oh dear. So I'm going to have to make some pigs and blankets myself. So anyway, this is my dinner. This is what I'm going to do. Oven's toasty, so I'm just going to chuck that in. It's annoying because there's only one shelf. So I'm going to have to do it all separate. But it's fine, it'll come together. The main thing is I remembered the bisto. So this week I've been to get some goodies for my Christmas theme night. We've got a pre-lit snowy tree, tinsel, some cool flashy lights, more tinsel, baubles. Thought this would be good for the kids, so I got the paper chain decorations. Keep them busy for a bit. These like poppy blow horns, more tinsel. Gingerbread house number 1, gingerbread house number 2, and gingerbread house number 3.
We all get to our own.
And you can see they've all got their Christmas pajamas on.
Yeah. Dad.
We've even got
Lily.
Edmund with us today.
Well, that's Elfie.
Elfie's at home. Literally can't believe it. Not only have I left the pigs and blankets at home, which I thought would be okay because I can make my own. I've got bacon here and those little teeny tiny cocktail sausages. The Yorkshire puddings are at home as well. Epic fail. So yeah, it's going to be half a dinner now because it's not really a dinner without a Yorkshire pudding. And to top it off, I usually make my own, and I thought, no, I won't do that. I'll go and I'll buy some pre-made so I can just heat them up. It'd be easier. Tamping. So we're going to do the taste test. Tell me what it's like. Yes! So, even though we haven't got any Yorkshire puddings, the beef's good. So, I'm just dazzling the van with my Christmas spirit. Yeah, man. I also managed to find another bag full of stuff. So I found more tinsel, crackers, and I got everyone glasses. So, oh, they look smart. Oh, they can be daddies. Yes. I don't think he'd be interested in them right now, though.
No.
You're welcome.
What do you look like?
I don't know, don't show everyone.
This is what I've got to put up with.
Wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Just don't forget your Yorkshire puds.
Wow.
Yeah, look, I even got all this. I just found another bag full of stuff. And we got crackers. Should we get decorating the van now?
Are you gonna stand and look at me?
He's got his own pyjamas, but there, look, he's just refusing to put them on.
Confusing with the family.
Everyone else, oh, I love them.
Everyone else has this, but Daddy.
Look, babe, we're twinning. Look.
But you got them.
Yeah, I saw these and I just loved them, so yeah.
Wait, I know what to do.
Hang on, Dexter's trying his on. Let's have a look then, bud.
It's full a lot.
Oh, never mind.
But it's fine.
Oh.
Lovely.
Flashy, flashy! Matchy, matchy! Now, aside from the obvious carnage that has been left behind, a trail of debris, I've successfully made half a Christmas dinner, because obviously without a Yorkshire pudding it don't look like nothing. But, verdict on the food, please, guys. What do you think?
I didn't like sprouts, but now I like them because it makes you fart and it's stinky.
Okay, so we're going to have
I
fun
give
later.
this a 10 out of 10. I'll give it 9.5 because the Yorkshires and the pigs in blankets were left.
Yeah, I did fail there. I was rushing. There we are, you have it.
So my menu should be sprouts and beans.
Excellent. Okay, enjoy, guys.
I am.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It's the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, the night when Christ was born, oh, night divine, oh, night divine. Led by the light of faith serenely beaming, with glowing hearts by his cradle we stand. So lit by light our stars sweetly gleaming, here come the wise men from Orient land. The King of Kings laid thus lowly manger in all our trials, born to be our friend. Oh, fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, the night when Christ was born, oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born.
Shh, don't tell him. I redid the tree.